welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. For those who doesn't know, I always say welcome back to my channel and just proceed like, hello, who are you? But today guys, we're making this amazing baked chicken recipe. I know you guys love my baked chicken recipes, so I try to bring you guys different way to make baked chicken. And this way I made it once in a video and I thought, why not just bring it back? Okay, it was the best chicken ever. It was so juicy because of the techniques that I use to make it. So I'm asking you, I know you're going to love this recipe. Go right ahead and give it a like for me. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? And we're going to get started. Now, my chicken is already clean. Y'all know how I do when it comes to cleaning chicken. It's lime, salt, or vinegar. Today I'm not showing you guys all of that. I do have a recipe, however I will leave it down below, so just check that out so you can see how I clean my chicken with lime and salt and vinegar. Guys, we have the chicken here that we're going to marinating. I have some olive oil here that I'm going to pour on the chicken. Y'all know how I do it. I always add some oil just to make sure the seasonings stick on there. Just give it a nice rub. First thing first, I am going to start by adding salt. Add a little salt, not too much. You don't want to make it salty because some of the seasoning that we do have here, such as the Creole seasoning, has salt already. Now I'm adding some freshly cracked pepper. We'll add about a tablespoon of onion powder. Onion. Ooh. Tablespoon of garlic powder. Yes. Go all in. I love garlic in my chicken. Anything, I love garlic for anything I'm making. I have this seasoning here. It's herbs de Provence. I use the Mediterranean seasoning before. Because I don't have it, I'm using this one. But if you do have Mediterranean seasoning, go right ahead and use it. So we're going to add about a teaspoon of that in here. For the Creole seasoning, I'm adding, oh, we're going all in, sister. I'm adding 2 tablespoons, and also I have my smoked paprika for color. Oh yes, so I'll say a teaspoon. I love to add thyme to my chicken. It just give it a different flavor. So I have some dry thyme here that I'm going to just add in there just like so. And I have some parsley as well, dry parsley. Now just mix everything together. Looking good, looking good. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is what I call very well seasoned chicken. I love to over season my chicken. I'd rather the chicken to be over seasoned than under seasoned, if you know what I'm saying, because once it's under seasoned, you can't really do nothing but throw it away. So just might as well just go and just don't make it salty. That's all, okay? Now we're going to cover it for 30 minutes, okay? We're going to place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. then we're going to cook it, okay? What we're going to do now is cook the chicken. I know you guys see me on the stove. Yes, like I told you guys, I have a new technique for this recipe. So what we're going to be doing now is just add a little teeny tiny bit of oil in here to sear the chicken. Just to sear it, okay? To give it some color. Like I told you guys, I do have a recipe that I made a while ago. It's probably a year ago, where I use the same technique that I'm using for today's recipe. It turned out like the best, the bomb. So I gotta try it again. So what we're going to do, you're going to put your stove on medium-high heat. Then we're going to sear the chicken. My skillet is nice and hot, so what I'm going to do is just add the chicken in here. Ooh. You want that sizzle, okay? You want that sizzle, you want that shh. You want all of that. That's how you know your chicken gonna come out with a nice sear. Okay. So just, ooh, I can smell it already. Wow. I just love me a good old, oh, I smell it already. Perfect, 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 perfect. The smell is just to die for. Oh yes. The chicken is smelling amazing. I'm happy already because it's just like, oh, you know how sometimes you make something, you know it's not good, your whole mood just changed. But right now it's smelling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very excited because the smell is just amazing. Just amazing. Hi, can you see? Y'all, I don't think you can see what's happening right now. When I tell you, the smell, ooh, child, the smell is to die for. Oh yes, we love it. Oh yes, so happiness. So now we're just going to remove the chicken. Woo! Looking so good. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Oh gosh. So good. So juicy. Oh. This is what we're working with. We haven't even baked it yet, and look how good it looks. Look how delicious this chicken look already. I'm so hyped right now. So what I'm going to do is cover it with the foil, and we're going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Chicken is ready, and I'm ready to eat because I'm starving. Ooh! Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, this chicken is juicy. Alright guys, finally the chicken is ready, and I cannot emphasize enough how delicious it is. Y'all have to try this, okay? It just, I had to taste it off camera because the smell was too much for me. I'm like, I have to taste it. So I tasted it off camera, but I'm gonna taste it on camera now for you guys. Let me tell you, this chicken is so good. I'm not even fronting or anything. Y'all gotta try it. Y'all gotta try it. Y'all gotta try it. That's all I have to say. Okay? Oh my gosh. Y'all, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys who clicked on this video to watch me today. I had so much fun making this video. I hope I see you guys on my next video. So if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on my delicious recipes. And hey, are you going to try this recipe? Let me know down below. Was it a yay or a nay? Okay. And just one more thing, I do have a hair company, just in case any one of you guys want to purchase wigs or hair. I will leave it down below just in case you guys are interested. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.